Normally I solder a Pico on this way round. Today I'm going to be flipping it, soldering it on the other way round, because I think this will be much easier with prototyping. Well, if I'm right, I'm right. If I'm wrong, well, what the heck, I've blown a $3 item, no, $4, let's move that onto the correct pins, a $4 computer, and I haven't blown it anyway because I'll be able to use it. I'm not the world's fastest solderer or the world's best. I just get the job done. Equipment used, well, fine solder, not sure where it came from. Could even be Radio Shack solder for all I know. I know I've got several reels of the small stuff. Well, that's one side almost done. Only thing I've got to do is keep flicking solder off the soldering iron when it gets too much on it, and keep moving along. That's one side soldered. Try the other side now. Oh, we've got, almost there. Yes, we're almost there. Another couple of pins, and I'll say this is done. Three more pins. Yes. Notice I'm not talking too much because I'm concentrating. There we go. Done. We have now got a perfectly soldered Raspberry Pi. And done.